Gonna do a quick unboxing of the Mova P10 Pro Ultra. This is one of the newer vacuums from Mova, and it is a mopping as well as a vacuuming with the station that basically refills the mops. It cleans out the dirty water. It takes out all the dirt and debris from the vacuum itself. But today I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of everything that is included in the box. So here's the first little accessory kit here. So we've got instruction manuals. We got some of the mop heads here. These are magnetic, so that's nice. We have the one of the bags for in the station itself. Let's see, we got mop heads, quick start guide. This is like a big instruction manual. You don't see that much anymore. What do we got? This is the charging cable. It goes in the wall. We have some cleaning solution here. Yep, multi-surface floor cleaner. What do we got over here? This is just a little brush. That's actually nice. It's just a little brush, and also to detangle or cut any like hair out of the brush roll. Okay, so that is the first box. Second box. Let's see what's in here. This is just, this is part of the base station, I think. Yep, this is just like the little ramp that the vacuum goes up into the station. Let's see what's next. I think this big box right here. I think this is probably the vacuum itself. Shiny new vacuum. This is the cleanest it's ever gonna be. So there it is. It says AI action. Oh, so fancy. It's got LiDAR, it's got cameras, it's got carpet sensor. This guy extends, so when you're in a corner, it's pretty fancy. It's got edge detection, all sorts of cool stuff. So that's the actual unit itself. And probably the last thing here is this is the base station. And this thing is big. Wowzers. Okay. All right. Let's take off this. All right. It's just a piece of trash. So that's the base station itself. Down here you've got where the mop heads get washed and dried and cleaned. It also has a sensor for how dirty the water is, but it cleans it. It sucks out the vacuum. I mean, there's a lot going on down here. So that's all that down there. This is the top where the tanks are. So your clean water goes in this tank. So clean water goes in this tank. Dirty water goes in this tank. I'm pretty sure that's it, guys. I think that's the full system. So if you have any questions on what comes in the box, let me know.